Hello, in this video I will show you how to pay DoorDash with EBT card. Now it's a very easy process. So open your DoorDash application or your browser. It's totally up to you. Now once you're all logged in your DoorDash, the first thing that you have to do is you have to click on the three lines right over here. Then in the payment section, click on this option. You will have the option of program card, and over here you will have the option of EBT card. Click on this option now. Then all you will do is just simply enter your EBT card number right over here. Then click on save card. Now once you will do this process right over here, all you have to do is just simply go to the checkout page. And then when you will start checking out your order, right over here you will have the option of EBT card. And you have to just simply choose that instead of any other payment option. Once you will do that, just simply click on place order and you will be good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.